Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the first time you're on my channel guys, you're highly welcome. You're a nanny world guy. As you can see on this video, you're asking so what this is. This is my wireless washing machine from Temu to wash your undies and your socks. 4 undies and 5 pair of socks guys. That's my second load. I'm loving this guys. I am loving this. And it also turn off by itself guys. I'm loving this. I am loving this. Yes, it could stay charged for 3 months. Every 3 months you recharge it. And I always keep the lid on guys while washing. There we are counting down guys. If you wash between 5 and 15 minutes at 55 degrees. There she counting down.